The friction ring is part of your impact wrench's anvil assembly. The friction ring is installed in a groove on the end of the anvil. The ring is slightly larger than the square portion of the anvil. When a socket is installed, the ring is compressed and the tension holds the socket in place. Over time, the ring can compress too small, so it no longer firmly holds the socket. Replacing the friction ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the friction ring from the anvil. I'll use a pair of retaining ring pliers to expand the friction ring so I can remove it. Now I can install the new friction ring. I'll align it with the anvil, and again use the retaining ring pliers to expand it as I slide it over the anvil. And that's all it takes to install a new friction ring in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.